Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the AI script generator in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Within the video tab, tap on the idea prompt option. This is where the Fliki AI helps you generate a complete script automatically. You can just type or paste a short description of your photo. After entering your prompt, tap next. Fliki will now redirect you to a template page where you can choose any based on your preference. Then tap the template that you like and tap on next. Now Fliki will ask for details like your language and dialogue, tone or purpose and audience. You can select these options or just skip to move ahead. Next, please make sure to select the media type for your video. You can choose stock media or AI generated visuals depending on your preference. Now choose an AI voice for your script. You can preview different voices and select the one that best fit for your content. Then tap on select. Once everything is set up, tap submit. Now Fliki will generate an AI written script, add visuals and apply the voiceover automatically. You can edit the generated text, change visuals or switch voices if needed. Then you can preview your video to ensure everything sounds and look right. After that, you have successfully used the AI script generated in Fliki to create a video quickly and easily. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.